हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज का जो वीडियो है इट्स माय डैड्स बर्थडे व्लॉग 2021। सो it's his birthday on 18th of November and today is the 17th of November. Like it's actually 5 o'clock right now, which means less than 12 hours for his birthday. So yeah, in this video I'm going to basically show you what all have I done in the house itself, of course, for his birthday. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also wish him a very happy birthday in the comment section below. So let's get on in the video. So let me begin with telling you all what I have done for his birthday. So number one, decoration. So basically his cake, let's begin with cake first. Actually, basically his cake is blue and white from outside because it's actually a hammer cake. So you know the outer wala part is something that you need to break with the hammer. So his cake is bahar se blue and white. So we kept the theme as blue and white and silverish maybe. So yeah, so I got the decoration as per that. So let me show you all. So as you know, every birthday needs foil curtains. I hope you know what foil curtains are. जैसे letter. Do I explain? These are pure white balloons. Now this is a kit that I ordered yesterday, and it kind of has many things. I'll open and check it first. LED lights. They are golden LED lights, I think, which will look good because I'll tell you why. Wait, I'll show you everything and then I'll tell you why. Then of course this is black, blue and silver. I think we won't use black actually. So yeah, these and this foil happy birthday balloons like this. So yeah, of course. So what I was telling you, that these lights I ordered golden because since these foil curtains are also silver and this happy birthday balloon is also silver, I think silver के ऊपर silver इतना अच्छे से दिखेगा नहीं. So if you put the golden lightings like that with the silver thing, this is going to pop out really well. So yeah, this is what is for the decoration honestly. And decoration of course आज शाम को dinner के बाद चालू होगा. He doesn't know about the cake though. Like he knows it's going to be a good cake, but he doesn't know that it's a hammer cake. So yeah, I am putting all the decoration back in a pouch so that I just have to use this. Sorry for this plastic noise, I'm really sorry. So that's about it for the decoration. So I've told you about the decoration, I've told you about the cake. Now what, oh, the last thing. I've kept this hidden though. I mean, so this is a birthday card. First time, like not first time, but after a very long time I am making a physical card because I can give it to somebody physically. Because of course वो हमारे घर पे बाकी सब के लिए you know online slide shows and collages and stuff, but ये offline है. So yeah, this is the card from inside. Ta-da! I know it looks very colorful. And by the way, this is, I have done this. I have made this. I have made each and every single thing. This is our messages, and even Vatsal has to write his message. So yeah. And bahar se it's very plain, nothing outside. I'm just thinking of putting 2 red hearts over here. So this is his card. So this is the card that I've been hiding, and I made this card during my, what do you say, whenever I got breaks in between my classes. तो ये मैंने कार्ड बनाया है बहुत छुप के because thankfully had a very long meeting, तो उनको नहीं idea रहा, and I did all the cutting and everything very फटाफट से. So this is the card. I'll tell Vatsal also to write a message here, so it will be done. And yeah, so I think everything is set. Let's go for check decoration, check card, check cake, check. Like, I know I gave the order, so check. By the way, the cake's photo is here, the sample photo, not the real one. So this is like the whole huge plan. Oh my god, I've been speaking since 6 minutes. Goodness. Okay, I'm sorry, I'll end this really quick. This is what is planned so far in my mind. अब देखते हैं उसे कैसे execute करेंगे कल. So the next clip you'll be seeing is me full offing all the balloons, you know, and decorating the house a little bit. So yeah, bye. So guys, I'm so sorry, but I actually have to show you all this. It's still raining in Mumbai. Like, can you believe it's 17th of November and it's raining in Mumbai? Actually, there was a lot of humidity, so I did expect raining, but yeah, it started raining today. So really nice. I hope the weather is a little bit more cooler, you know, day by day. So yeah, now you can see me decorating the room, of course. It's currently 11. I'm sure you would have seen the decoration and everything. It was very pretty. And currently I'm laying down on my bed a little bit because I'm tired doing the decoration. And I'm doing a little bit of my study work. So I'll finish my studies a little bit till 11:30. And also an update that I wanted to give you was that there is another cake which I didn't know. My mama sent that for my dad's birthday. So yeah, there is going to gift him the card that I showed you all at 12 o'clock. So stay tuned. I'll do a little bit of studies and bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. So guys, an update right now is that we also have a third cake which came from my dad's office. So their whole office has given them a collective cake along with a special message for him with the cake and a bouquet of flowers, which is so sweet, and they're really fresh flowers. They have a good smell too. So they gave a bouquet, a message and a cake. The cake is in the fridge currently, so जब वो कटेगा I'm going to show it to y'all. So that's a really sweet gesture from his office. And we cut the first cake that I have shown you. Then our cake will be cut sham ko, because you can't cut all of the cakes together, and the best one should be last. So that's it for updates. I'm getting ready. Everybody is going on their workday routine. Like now everybody has office and everything. So we are going back to our classes, office, school, whatever. So we've planned that we all will get free by 4 o'clock. Yeah, now currently it's 10:40, so we have a lot of time left. So I'm gonna get ready and then I'll show you what's gonna happen next. So we all are ready. I'm dressed and everybody is getting ready. Then we are gonna do cake cutting and click some pictures and then go out for a dinner. Let's go and do the cake cutting.